Hi there, Lobos. I'm President Stokes, and I want to talk with you a moment about this year's UNM Gives United Way campaign. This is one of the many ways we convey a sense of pride in our community and draw upon our own generosity of spirit, two traits that define who we are as Lobos. Each year, the UNM Gives campaign provides faculty and staff with the opportunity to give back to our community and those in need through a contribution to the United Way of Central New Mexico. Last year, I'm proud that we raised more than $500,000 for a great cause. But this year, as our community and country struggle with the challenges of COVID-19, your support and compassion are even more critical. With your generosity, our PAC can impact positive change and change lives across our state. So I'm here to ask for your help and your support. But at the same time, I'm hoping I can appeal to your sense of competition and also encourage you to have some fun. As part of our campaign to raise money and awareness, we're hosting our regular Salsa Showdown to find the favorite salsa at UNM. But as you can imagine, given our current COVID-related restrictions, there's a twist. This year, you won't be making the salsa yourself. Instead, you'll be submitting recipes that will be prepared by Chartwell's Catering, who will prepare the salsa following not only the strict instructions in your recipes, but strict health protocols as well. The prepared salsa and chips will be made available in grab-and-go bags where you can sample them at your leisure and then vote online for your favorite. You can win door prizes just for voting, and the winner of the Salsa Showdown will win a year of free UNM parking, as well as official bragging rights for having the best Lobo recipe. As you can imagine, this is one of my favorite campaigns, and it's a great way to give back to the community. Every contribution counts, and every dollar makes a difference. At UNM, we're proud to support the United Way, and I'm grateful to you all for your continued generosity and compassion. Thanks for watching, and let's go Lobos!